We're currently here at Deptford Landings in London, where Wraptite's being installed on 3 towers for 189 dwellings. Typically, membranes are installed loose and need to use a lot of tapes. Wraptite is fully self-adhered, really good in helping with airtightness testing. Proctor Wraptite has BBA and Passive House certification. It's really important because obviously it's gone through rigorous testing to ensure it has the most advanced energy efficiency. Wraptite's been tested in several configurations, and also specifically on this project we've tested it on this particular cement board as well. Wraptite is also versatile as well. It can be put on many different substrates. Wraptite is airtight, however also Vapour-permeable as well to help with condensation risk. Not only do we have certification, we also do work at early stages to ensure that the right product's being used in the right application, and then that takes us all the way through to on-site support, toolbox talks, etc., to ensure that Wraptite's being installed correctly.
See, it's very quick to use, there's very little wastage. We've not used any primer or anything, no tapes. It's a lot neater, it lasts longer, it's sticking like glue, and once it's on, you can forget about it.